Eugenie Kitchen. Hi, today I'm going to make chocolate brownie in mug. You will need only a mug and a small whisk like this. First, in a mug, add in quarter cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of light brown sugar. You can use granulated sugar if you don't have one. And 2 tablespoons of unsweetened 100% natural cocoa powder and whisk until combined. Make sure there's no cocoa lumps. Then add in 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and quarter teaspoon of milk. And stir until homogeneously mixed. It smells already so good. Clean the rim a little and microwave for 1 minute. The oven is set to 800 watt and my brownie doesn't explode. Check the power of your microwave oven and if you're stronger, microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Then repeat microwaving for 10 seconds at a time until there's no fluid on surface. It took 1 minute and 30 seconds today. I'm arranging chocolate chips on top. Now allow it to cool down a little before serving. Voila! Chocolate brownie in mug. I also love soft chocolate chips on top. Probably a little confectioner sugar on top as well. Bon appetit! Do you see this texture of brownie? Now your cravings for chocolate can be easily fixed with 5 ingredients in 5 minutes. This is really good. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.